Here's a surprise. Something broke. There's water everywhere. And quite a bit of it. This is all wet. It's going up that box. And then it comes all the way over to here, and it starts dripping off there. Okay, so now this is operating. Let's see what happens. If there was to be a failure point, I would expect it along here because this is the discharge line. But it looks like it's sprayed somewhere from over here because you can see that side of the block is wet, which is also kind of weird. And there's soap, so I feel like it definitely came from the laundry here. This has never leaked in 4 years. I don't know why there's all of a sudden a problem now. I don't see anything. I don't see any water coming out anywhere. Looks like a water drop down there. I wonder if this just overflowed or something for some reason. I just saw that drop drip from down there. Not the trap that's sprung a leak. Well, I don't know, it seems like a lot more water would have been down here than just that little drips. And that couldn't possibly have made all this water here. And how would that water have gotten on top of here then? So that doesn't explain anything, because there's water on top of here. How did the water get on top of here? Unless it came down here and it dripped down those pipes, that would make sense. I don't know, there's got to be a problem up here somewhere. This is the vent pipe, and this is the discharge pipe on the right. Well, I have no idea. I think I'll just dry it all out and see if it happens again. I think that this might have happened once or twice before, because I remember when I was working on the dryer vent this summer that this wood seemed like it got wet on the bottom. And I thought that was odd because this is up on the platform here, so there's really no you know, if it floods, it shouldn't get wet, but it clearly has gotten wet before. So there must be, can't get it. There must be some kind of weird condition that exists on very rare occasion with this drain that causes it to malfunction. This got very wet at some point. And I have no idea what that condition is. But there's lots of water here. This was not just a little drip from the bottom. This whole thing is soaked. See where the water starts there. And this whole thing is wet. Get all this stuff out of here and dry it off. Yeah, there you can see the water line pretty good now. It's all wet. I have no idea what's going on here. I don't get it. Something fishy about it. Well, I gotta wash the towels today, so nothing I can do about it now, but I guess I'll set up some fans and dry it out. And then at a later time, next week, we'll have to do some testing on that. It's odd because this has been here for 4 years now and it's never been an issue. Well, obviously it's been an issue once before, at least once before. Maybe more than that, I don't know.